Guys, check it out. I just got to the bridge and my boy Bernie hooked it up with 3 keepers. We got a 12 and a half, 11, and a 10er, y'all. We got dinner before I even throw a rod. Thanks to my boy Bernie. Alright guys, check out these nice mangs. 10. My buddy Bernie caught these. That's the mang of the day. 11 and a half, 12 incher. Oh no, this is the mang of the day. Look at that guy. Check out those 2 guys. Great day, guys. This has to be 12 inch. This is a 16-inch cooler, guys. Check that out. So, thank you all for watching, guys. With that being said, I had a blast. I'm going to be getting out of here. And don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe on this video, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.